Well, this will be the summer of July 2011 cold start of the 84 Chevy Scottsdale. Let's go do a cold start. Right here. Carbureted, so for this truck you gotta pump it a lot. See what she'll do. 99,300 miles. Sorry. Find which belt's squeaking. It's been doing that for a while. I forgot the air conditioner working on the truck again. Yeah, 3,200 miles. .0 liter 305 V8 motor. 4-barrel Rochester quadjet carburetor.